Blaze and the monster machines. Race the Skytrack. Click play to start.
Swoops, look out! There's a storm up ahead.
Things are getting bumpy. Gaskets. Swoops' rotor is flying away.
Whoa! Oh man, Swoops can't fly without his rotor, but it's flying away so fast.
I know how we can catch it. We just need to turn me into a super fast aerodynamic race car. If something is aerodynamic, it can move through the air quickly because of its shape, like a race car. Transformation station activate. Engineering race car. Help me transform into a race car. Click on me. Tire-rific! Now let's keep transforming me. Keep clicking on me to remove my monster truck parts. Body! Back seat! Front, back monster truck tire! Tire-rific! Try clicking on a race car part. Tire-rific! Now let's keep transforming me. Tire-rific! Seat! I'm feeling spoiler! Excellent and front race car. Take a look at the excellent and front tire back. Excellent back tire-rific! I'm a super fast aerodynamic race car!
Now we need to drive really fast to catch that rotor.
Way to go! Now after that rotor. Watch out for things in our way. They'll slow us down. Let's drive over speed boosts for super speed. We need to collect lost bolts along the way so we can use them to reattach Swoops' rotor.
Accelerate!
Bolts! Yes! Bolts! Yes! Got it!
Accelerate!
Got it! Let's blaze!
Blaze, look! There's no more track! And what are those rainbow colors at the edge? Hey, check it out! A computer!
It must release the Skytrack. We just need to enter the colors that mix together to make the color of that lane.
To complete the rainbow pattern...
Right on! Blue! Nice job! Yellow! Perfect! Yellow! Yeah! Red! All right! We matched all the colors correctly. Let's keep going. Now it looks like we need to mix colors. Let's start with the orange lane. What color mixes with red to make orange? Red. Those two colors don't make orange. Let's Skytrack, here we come. Great. Now let's fix the green lane. What color mixes with yellow? Those two colors don't make green. Nice job, Skytrack. Here we come. Great. Now let's fix the violet. Those two colors don't make violet. Let's try Skytrack. Tire-rific. Mixing red and blue make violet. We mixed all the colors correctly. Awesome.
It worked. We mixed and matched the colors and released the Skytrack.
And I see the rotor. Come on, AJ. Let's go catch it. Give me some speed. Great! Now let's catch that rotor. Watch out for things in our way. They'll slow us down. We need to collect lost bolts along the way so we can use them to reattach Swoops' rotor. Nice air! Let's blaze! Let's blaze! Bolts! Yes! Let's drive over ramps to collect more bolts. Got it! Got it! Let's drive over speed boosts for super speed. Wow, look at all of the bolts we collected. I think we got back all the ones Swoops lost.
Blaze, there's Swoops' rotor.
I think we can grab that rotor if we use blazing speed.
Click on us to activate blazing speed.
Let's blaze!
Oh no! The rainbow road ends here.
And the rotor is stuck on the other side. We need to lasso it with my grappling hook and rope. Try! Click me to activate my grappling hook. Great! Grappling hook activated!
We need the... Great! Now press the space bar to launch the... It looks like there might be some things in our way. Launch the rope at an object to remove it. We're almost there. Nice launch! Nice launch! Try moving some of the things out of our way. Great aim! Terrific trajectory! We caught the rotor!
Try great! Now let's get this rotor back to Swoops. Watch out for things in our way. They'll slow us down. Collect tools along the way to help reattach Swoops' rotor.
Careful!
Got it! Cool tools! Cool tools! Cool tools! Got it! Cool tools! Let's blaze! Look at all the tools we collected! I think we have enough to help reattach Swoops' rotor.
I see Swoops down below! Click on Swoops to help repair him.
Here you go, Swoops. Rotor repaired.
All those bolts and tools really helped out. You look great.
Go ahead, Swoops. Give it a spin.
Fantastic flying, Swoops.
Swoops is ready for high-flying action. Thanks for helping. If you want to race the SkyTrack again, click the Play Again button.
La 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 la.